Hello, I am Madison. Hey, adventurers. Are you struggling to pick your next travel destination? If so, you're not alone. Choosing where to explore next can sometimes feel like finding a needle in a haystack. But fear not. Today, we're going to guide you through a simple, fun process to find your perfect getaway. Dive in.
First things first, let's talk about what fuels your wanderlust. What is it that makes your heart race with excitement at the mere thought of traveling? Perhaps it's the thrill of exploring ancient ruins or the joy of biting into a dish you've never tasted before. Or maybe it's the rush of adrenaline from an extreme sport, or the serenity of a quiet retreat away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Each one of us is drawn to different aspects of travel, and recognizing these passions is the first step in choosing a truly fulfilling destination. So let's get started. Grab a pen and paper or open a new document on your laptop and jot down your top 3 interests. It could be anything from food and culture to hiking and wildlife photography. There's no right or wrong answer here. It's all about what makes you tick. These interests of yours, they're not just hobbies or pastimes. They're your personal compass, your guide to the world's vast expanses. They are the key to unlocking destinations that will resonate with your spirit and leave you with memories that last a lifetime. So take a moment to reflect on what you love, and let's use this to find your perfect getaway. This will serve as your compass for choosing destinations that resonate with you. Now let's talk money. When it comes to travel, your budget isn't just a number, it's the key that unlocks your adventure. It determines where you can go, how long you can stay, and what you can experience. So it's essential to be clear and realistic about what you can afford. Consider the cost of everything. Flights, accommodation, meals, activities, and even souvenirs. Don't forget to factor in unexpected expenses because let's face it, life is full of surprises. You might miss a flight, get a flat tire, or stumble upon an unplanned adventure. It's always wise to have a little extra tucked away for those just-in-case moments. But your budget doesn't just cover your expenses. It's also about understanding the cost of living in your potential destinations. Some places might seem expensive on the surface, but when you factor in the lower living costs, they can become surprisingly affordable. So before you start dreaming of sunsets and street food, take a hard look at your finances. Remember, some places are more wallet-friendly than others. Timing is everything. When it comes to travel, this saying couldn't be more accurate. Just like a well-rehearsed dance, the beauty of travel lies in its perfect timing. So let's talk about how timing can influence your travel destination. First up, seasons and weather. Each destination has its own charm in different seasons. Some places may be best enjoyed in the warmth of summer, while others might call for a cozy winter visit. Rainy season? It might be a deal breaker for some, but also an opportunity for lower prices and fewer tourists. Next, consider your own availability. How much time can you dedicate to your travel? Is it a quick escape over the weekend, a week-long break, or a month of exploration? Remember, some destinations require more time to soak in all they have to offer. Of course, balancing between the ideal weather and your own availability might be a juggling act, but it's worth it. After all, the length of your trip can steer your decision. Get inspired! The world is a vast canvas of experiences waiting to be explored, and the best way to tap into this reservoir of possibilities is through research. Begin your journey of discovery by diving headfirst into the world of travel blogs. These digital diaries are a gold mine of first-hand experiences, peppered with hidden gems and practical tips. From the cobblestone streets of Europe to the sandy beaches of the Maldives, travel bloggers transport you to different corners of the globe, sparking ideas for your own adventure. Then let's turn to social media. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube are brimming with stunning visuals and immersive content. They offer a snapshot of various destinations, helping you visualize what your trip might look like. Now here's something you might not have considered: documentaries. Travel documentaries are not just about beautiful landscapes and tourist hotspots. They delve deeper into the culture, history, and essence of a place. They tell stories that resonate, stories that inspire. A well-crafted documentary can take you on a journey through time, reveal the heart of a city, or introduce you to a way of life you've never imagined. It can challenge your perceptions and in doing so, fuel your wanderlust like nothing else. So, as you embark on this journey of research and inspiration, remember this. Don't underestimate the power of a good travel documentary to spark your imagination. With your interests, budget, and timing in mind, start narrowing down your list. This is where the magic happens, where your dream vacation starts to take shape. This is your adventure, tailored to your unique tastes and preferences, and it's about to get real. Think about what truly speaks to your soul. Is it the rustic charm of a countryside retreat, the hustle and bustle of a vibrant city, or the tranquil beauty of a secluded beach? Every destination has its own story to tell, its own charm to revel in. Now remember your budget. It's time to let it do some of the talking. Look at your shortlisted destinations and consider the cost of living in each. You might find that some places offer a more enriching experience for your money than others. Timing is also crucial. If you have a week off, a far-flung destination might not be the best choice. But if you have a month or two to spare, the world is your oyster. Finally, don't forget about your interests. They are your compass, guiding you towards destinations that resonate with your passions. This process might seem daunting, but trust me, it's worth it. By narrowing down your options and creating a top 3 list, you're making the decision more manageable and less overwhelming. Before getting too excited, it's essential to check the current travel restrictions and entry requirements. Yes, it might feel like a bit of a downer, but trust me, understanding the rules of the road, so to speak, could save you a lot of headaches down the line. Think of it as the fine print in your grand travel adventure. Each country has its own set of regulations, and they can change rapidly. It's crucial to stay informed. You'll need to check if you need a visa for your destination, or if there are any health protocols you should be aware of. Some countries may require vaccinations, or you might need to quarantine upon arrival. Don't forget to keep an eye on safety advisories too. While we all love a bit of adventure, it's important to ensure your chosen destination is safe to visit. So, before you start packing your bags and daydreaming about your adventure, take some time to do your homework. This includes visa requirements, health protocols, and safety advisories. Now, for the moment of truth. We've reflected on our interests, set our budget, considered the timing, drawn inspiration, narrowed down our options, and checked for restrictions. You've been on a journey of self-discovery, and now it's time to trust yourself. You've gathered all the information, you've done the legwork, and you've listened to your heart. So, what's it going to be? A bustling city with towering skyscrapers, or a tranquil beach with crystal clear waters? An adventurous trek through the mountains, or an immersive cultural experience in a historic town? Remember, there's no right or wrong choice here. Every destination has its own magic, and every journey is unique. It's not about where you go, but about the experiences you'll have and the memories you'll make. So, go ahead, trust your gut, pick your destination, and start planning your journey. Embrace the thrill of uncertainty, the excitement of the unknown. You're not just choosing a destination, you're choosing an adventure, a story, a chapter in your life's book. It's time to step out of your comfort zone, to challenge yourself, to grow, because in the end, it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. So, are you ready for your next adventure? Trust your gut, pick your destination, and start planning your journey. Choosing your next travel destination is an exciting journey in itself. It's a process that unfolds like a story, with you as the protagonist and the world as your stage. Each step of the way, from reflecting on your interests to setting your budget, considering the timing, researching, narrowing down options, checking restrictions, and finally making your decision, is a chapter in your travel tale. So, embrace the process, let your curiosity guide you, and remember, each choice you make is a step towards a new adventure. Safe travels, and see you in the next one.
Thank you for our way changing. Love Didi Hijo Rani. Here's how you can join us on more adventures. 1. CVS your IV and hit the bell, don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified about our latest travels and stories. 2. Like our videos, enjoyed our journey, show your love by hitting the like button. It helps us reach more fellow travelers like you. 3. Leave a comment, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, or any place you'd like us to explore next. 4. Share with friends and family, spread the joy of travel. Share our videos on your favorite social media platforms and let others join in on the adventure.